Okay, so welcome back. Now, we're going to do an example of finding the total area of a function on the given interval. So from this 0 to 6. Okay, so we want to find the total area, so we got to set this up. Okay, so this is going to be from 0 to 6 of f of x, the absolute value of that, dx. Okay? So now, before we get started, we want to find any intersection points because this is a straight line, and so we want to see if it intersects the x-axis in this interval, because that's when it's going to go from below the x-axis to above the x-axis. So we set it equal to 0, and we find that x minus 2 equal to 0 implies that what? X equals 2. So at x equals 2, there's an x-intercept. Okay? So that's where we're going to partition or split up our graph. So we're going to consider from 0 to 2, and then from 2 to 6, right? Because one of those areas that we're going to calculate is going to be beneath the x-axis. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to split this up as the integral from 0 to 2 for the absolute value of f of x dx plus the integral from 2 to 6 of the absolute value of f of x dx. Okay, now let's put in the function. Well, what do we get? We get 0 to 2, and this is going to be x minus 2, absolute value of dx, plus from 2 to 6, the absolute value of x minus 2 dx. Okay? So now, remember when we talked about how to integrate using the rules before in previous lecture videos? Well, let's do that here. So how would I integrate this? So I can go across the minus sign, the subtraction sign. So then what's going to happen here? Well, this is going to become, oh, do I want to do that right now? You know what? No, I don't want to do that right now. So let's just use the graph. So if we use the graph of the function, so this is going to be okay, so that's what's going on there. So from 0 to 2, it's below, and then from 2 to 6, it's above. Okay? So let's use the formula for the area of a triangle. So in this case, this is going to be what? This is going to be a height of 2 and a length of 2. So it's going to be 1/2 base times height plus what? From 2 to 6, the height is going to be what? What's the height here? Well, it's 1. So in this case here, it's going to be 4, right? The height is going to be a 4. Hold on. Yeah, 4. It's going to be 4. So then height of this triangle is 4, the base of it is 4. So this is going to be 1/2 base times height, which is going to be 4 times 4. And so this is going to be 2 plus 8, which equals 10. Okay? And all we did was use total area, where we're going to add these two areas. Okay? Now later on, we're going to introduce how to do these much easier, like I said before. I was about to show you, but then realized I was going to get ahead of myself. Okay. That's it. Have a great day.